everyone. I hope you have been enjoying the series. Today, we'll be discussing the stock market and mutual funds and the opportunities that you can gain from investing in these instruments, even during this difficult period. Our experts, Keisha Ann Morgan, trading manager, and Otis Bray, portfolio manager, will explain how these instruments work.
Thanks, Laurel. So as Laurel said, both Otis and I will be looking at the stock market and mutual funds for opportunities in the current coronavirus situation. Hi, Otis.
Hi, everyone. Hi, Keisha.
Hi.
I hope you're all keeping safe and practicing your physical distancing. I know I am. I have no problem staying inside. All I need is my computer, a stable internet connection, and the markets are at my fingertips. So, Keisha, what has been happening in the markets of late?
Well, Otis, let me just recap for 2019. 2019 was a significant year in the history of bull runs for the Jamaican stock market. The main index, as we know it, increased by a little over 31%. In fact, 31.39%. And the volumes traded on the market increased by over 150% to close out the year, which I think was significant.
Wow, that sounds good. It would translate to quite a few new investors and more people becoming financially secure.
Yes.
Well, how has 2020 treated us so far?
All right, so Otis, as you know already, there was a flurry of activities at the start of 2020. So what you had, most investors were pretty much selling some of the stock holdings that they had from 2019 and prior to participate in IPOs that were announced for 2020. So this caused a decline in some of the stock prices that we're seeing now.
Yes, Keisha, IPO flippers. A risky strategy, I tell you.
Oh yes. Now, when you add to that the uncertainty surrounding the coronavirus, the declines in the market have naturally continued. And as recent as last Friday, the 22nd, what you had, the combined index declined by over 25%, right? But what I really want to say is there's really no need to panic. We're telling our clients not to panic and do not change the course of their portfolio. Because as we know it, markets will always experience periods of volatility, as we see happening now, given the coronavirus pandemic.
Well, I can understand that adjustment in price for these stocks. Already, we are hearing projections of a 5.1% contraction in economic growth this year. This does not spell well for some companies. Profits will be negatively impacted. As you know, Keisha, the stock market is a forward pricing mechanism. Right. It is looking at the profitability of the companies in the future.
Yes.
So if there is a recession and profits are less, investors will pay less for that company now.
Yes.
So the question is, what do we do now?
Okay, so Otis, whilst it's difficult to predict the full impact of the coronavirus and what it will have on our local stock market, what we're encouraging and advising our clients to do, the main thing, remain focused on your financial plan and goals. And to add to that, I just want to suggest a few other things. They could look at their time horizon. We know that the stock market is long term. And we want to say to our clients, one of the advice is to maintain your time horizon. The second thing is focus on the fundamentals of the company that you're investing in. You decide to invest in a company. What were the reasons surrounding you investing in that company, right? So the fundamentals, like you want to look for strong firms with long and proven track records, firms that have strong cash levels, firms that are industry leaders and have experienced management, companies that are flexible and show innovation. Those are key. And of course, how efficient are these companies? And when we say efficient, we want to look at how are they managing their expenses. That is key in terms of determining the survival for the times that we are in now and for the times ahead. As investors, what we want to encourage is you build your position gradually. You look at dollar cost averaging, Otis, and you say what you're basically doing is you're investing a set amount of money at regular intervals. So that is one of the key things we want to say to our investor. Look at building your position gradually.
Okay. Well, that is some good advice, Keisha. Just to add though, as investors, it is important for you to understand what you're putting your money in. So doing your own research should form part of your investment strategy.
But Otis, as when you say that, people are going to be saying, what about time? I mean, time is very important to everybody. Not everybody has the time to do all of that. So what is it? What if you can't do it yourself? What is it that you're suggesting?
Well, you have two options. One, you can depend on third-party research.
Okay.
Brokers, like Jane Fund Managers, provides their clients with quality research that helps to guide their investment decisions.
Right.
Second, you can invest through collective investment schemes.
Okay, now you've piqued my interest there, Otis. And what I wanted to do, I wanted to shed some light on that for our investors. What are collective investment schemes?
No problem. Collective investment schemes, CIS for short, are pooled investment vehicles. In other words, investors pool their money together and it is invested as one.
Yes.
I am sure you have heard of mutual funds and unit trusts. These are all collective investment schemes.
Okay, Otis, now that you've explained what they are, what are the benefits? What are the benefits for me? What are the benefits for our clients out there?
Well, look at it like this. One, you have lower transaction costs. Two, the portfolio is managed by an experienced manager. And three, you get diversification. So you benefit from investing as a group versus as investing individually.
Okay, yes, the diversification is key, very key. And that is something that we always talk about as well.
Well, I could tell you, that at Jane Fund Managers, we offer a suite of funds ranging from low to high risk. These includes local money market fund, the global money market fund, the global fixed income fund, the global US dollar fixed income fund, global diversified income fund, and the global equity fund. And I can tell you that by combining one or two of these funds, you can use them to meet any investment objectives that you have.
Wow, Otis. What you have explained is that here at Jane Fund Managers, we have something that covers all the investment needs for all our clients. In the past series that we had, Dana and Anne-Marie spoke about the economy and the effects of the coronavirus on the economy. We had budgeting from Kimberly and Peter Gay. They talked about budgeting 101 and what is it that our clients needed to do. And then we had Trisha, Chris, and Diane talk about the fixed income, the effects of the coronavirus on the fixed income, both the US and the J-dollar market. And you have us talking about the stock market and the mutual fund investment. So there you have it, guys. Something that will suit all your investment needs.
And thank you all for watching. Our goal is to keep you educated and informed so that you will be equipped to make wise financial decisions. And importantly, in these trying times, to remain invested so that you may achieve your goals. Let us work with you to get you through this. Please like and share and follow us as we provide you with solid information to empower you.